Here's how to manage tile placement with RunnerTrack. Tile placement is handled by a tile provider. By default, the track controller is assigned with a built-in provider, which places tiles one after another along the scrolling direction. And if your track configuration contains multiple tile definitions, it selects the next tile based on their weight, which automatically gives you procedural variation at runtime. But sometimes you need more control. You may want to apply custom logic to decide which tile comes next. For this, RunnerTrack lets you create custom tile providers. For example, the package includes Sequential Tile Provider, a tile provider that iterates through a list of tile definition IDs to select the next tile in order. To use it, assign that provider to your track controller and add Sequential Tile Provider module to your track configuration. This module, required by the provider as a dependency, lets you define the tile sequence, exposes it to the configuration, and makes it available to the provider. So let's create a sequence. Let's put one tile, followed by two tile water. And assign the track configuration to the track controller. Now press play. Initialize, prepare, and start the track. And that's it. As you can see, the tiles follow the exact sequence we defined. And now, you know how to manage tile placement with RunnerTrack.